pause. Just move on to the video, please.
Oh, I got the stick spinning. Aha.
You see that little cute doggy right there? He looks innocent, but no! He is the devil!
Run.
What's up, everybody? Thanks for watching the video. And if you don't already know, I'm trying to create an outro, and I'm thinking it should be some kind of Fortnite video outro or whatever, but I haven't thought of it yet. So right now, I'm just gonna do the laser beam. It's not gonna be the same laser beam, but it's gonna be my own edition. So, sorry, laser beam.